guys? It is Sean reporting for Coaster Kids here at Disneyland. I am so excited to be here. I'm so excited to ride Matterhorn, Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, and ride everything else here. I'm so excited. Let's do this. So I just rode Space Mountain, and that was really fun. So that was actually pretty intense on some of those turns. There was some good pops of airtime, really good theming. I loved all of like the space theme. It was so fun. I think it's better than the Disney World Space Mountain. I would give it a 3.5. So I just rode Gadget's Go Coaster, and that was a really cool kiddie coaster. Wasn't the most intense, obviously. I mean, it's a kiddie coaster, but the theming is so cool. There's like so much awesome theming. Best themed kiddie coaster. It's definitely up there with like Joker's Funhouse coaster. I would only give it a 2.5 though. I mean, it's just a kiddie coaster. So I just rode Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and that was an awesome coaster. There was some pretty good airtime, and the theming was really cool. Not surprised because it's Disney, they have the best theming, but it was so good. There's some pretty good pops of airtime, and it was overall fun. I wouldn't say it was quite as good as the Disney World one, but it's pretty good. I think I would give it a 3.5. It's pretty fun. So I just rode the Matterhorn bobsleds, and it was kind of rough. It wasn't the greatest, but I do give it some leeway just in the sense that it was the first ever steel coaster and the first coaster built by Arrow. It has really cool theming with the Yeti and stuff. It's better than Expedition Everest's Yeti, and it is a pretty good ride in terms of theming, but the ride's kind of rough. I didn't really enjoy it that much. I would give it like a 2 probably. It's pretty rough. So this here is Galaxy's Edge, which is the new Star Wars area that is scheduled to open up this summer. And it looks pretty cool, honestly. There's some cool theming, Star Wars theming. It looks awesome.
Spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
So I just rode Matterhorn bobsleds again, this time on the Fantasyland side, and I actually really enjoyed it on the Fantasyland side. It was way better than the Tomorrowland side. I mean, I did sit in the front row on the Fantasyland side, so that could have been why it was better, but it was a really fun ride, honestly. The Yeti is super cool on it, and I really like the Fantasyland side. I would give it a 3. It's pretty good. So I just did Haunted Mansion, and that was actually a pretty cool ride. The theming was really cool. It didn't really meet my expectations with the like haunted stuff. Like I thought there would be some like jump scares, but there really wasn't much. It was still pretty cool though. I would give it a 1 scream though, just because, you know, it's not a thrill ride, but it has some really cool theming. So that's a wrap for my day here at Disneyland. I had so much fun today. Had so much fun riding the coasters and being at the place where it all started. And I just love today. Disneyland's so fun, and I had so much fun at this park. All the theming is so great. It's such a cool environment. And don't forget to be brave and ride on. Bye.